I was here some watching Yamaha ebio at the J Ghana television show. What do you say about subscribe, follow, comment, and share if I'm a Nebusiano, I see and not a pepe. Nebusian is any Abrina being attack and you see the flight, you might musu say the next and some my each go with yourself and no any day to me a barber soon. And you know, yes, serious about more than subscribe, follow, comment, and share if I am my coming where. Now, fast like I see, and my above for Bena Binom to me a boy and a chidom, a glitter and glue cosmetics, Sanson, a general organic foods, and anything at the bar center. And one day. Didi strength papa na fi kona kwadwo apom de hwehwe mu nyina efa free tina teteba center for akache. Don't forget this is the flight and I humbly say medium jeso ede nana K Jesse Abranti. I remain your humble pilot. Abusia my nani ehusima so fasten your seat belt. Ye besisi ya
me wa landing baby am wo ye war thamsto wo we hie nkun bi so wo Manchester wo Birmingham wo Northampton wo Southampton Milton Keynes outside landing baby ah wo contact me mami wusu anase Helena baby a wo bia so far as I wo betua wo postage ye be postu e de abrel se wo ye kokko se wo ye tuntum wo ye hone ho kala bia wo ye wo bi ho ye fita be enkum bia wo pe bia wo benya bi ana obi wo ho a wasra I had enkum no odin no na ma ne kala no ni body na ye basa hydroqueen no asay kala no na se wunya glitter and glow na wo start beginning no ube hu se repair wo kala no ube ye kama ube ye kama say de mi gina hoy small girl hey enku no baby anya fe na wo betete samna asra wo ho obi wa na nso oben ye wo na nso oben cream ye wo can I say stretch marks bibia anom ye wo whitening wo se wo a wo ye kokko wo ye fita wo pese wo ye fita bibia wo pa wo hwe wo ringe Santiago kra anase na brown wo Ghana enkum bia wo pe bia wo benya bi na me de me kan landing for contact me a bibia wo bia me de bebrel me wo fie me de fie 24 hours enti anytime bia opesa wo frame me numbers me enu nyina so a ba bia wo bia de how bia wo ka kire me a me sort problem na ma glitter and glow na ye wi ani aba organic product so konkonte enkate rere ende esese kwa de wache powder ye wo prekasa powder ye wo ginger powder ye wo honey wo ho bibia konkonte ye echese enwo zomi everything bibia wo de wo hwehwe sa product ya Ghana hwehwe Nana Brown anase Mr Santiago eba landing so a contact mami wusia Helena bibia wo bia no ye di bibebro bibia wo ho wache powder kran so e wo ho enti bibia ni ho a wo hwehwe a won sanka enti ni nyina ye glit and glow.
Abusia yesa mo akwa ba bio. Odi ne se first time nya ne wadi ehia mu dia ne ne besere se bomoden subscribe, follow, comment na share na fa abusia no ase entimi ennore papa na abusia yin. O man ga ne mu anka se to de bia meka se wotena se dwene ho a wonte ase wote ase nso na chese ka me akwa se sebi empreduasa wonnwene ho. Na ye busa se adenti enne ensem sei epiepie emontin. Abusia o kai abranti ya ye frɛ no eye Slimbaster. Yes. Ni obo common etwa Monica sa brantie no obesie wode asaye kan no Ghana Michael Jackson no abusuyen abrantie won se wote ne kan che papa na woni tuase ye si J Ghana television there. This is where the legends live. We always stand for the truth. Asem no say emuda ho se wo se tim de baba so mo kwande a ye de beba na ye de aba be so na Slimbaster e de ensem bi aba be to abonte an nka se mu no o tre se hwe wono de se bi be ma de usiso wo se wotimi bo adwuma wate ase ye wotimi pesika wotimi bobra e de ko dem na bibia timi etoto na akwamu kama na we na nkomotwetwe nim no ye busa Slimbaster se bi yo ka se adwumtofo de ye na emma no so ono de no krede nyankopon ni on fa bibia nsie emma de nyankopon hyeda bo mo de maye no so obaka se ye yi ma 100 free hono ma ono pa de ye yi ma 100 edisi hono ma obasie wari a anase wode kakra fa ne tetre mase a bia besi 2 oso ono de na ne vision kase pa ne se ne nwom to no adwuma no ne asem a wo e wo ne nwom to no e ba gentre ha e bo wiase no de wan friends ne so se emma asem na ye na wo kan se ono anka so hye ne career ase no na je se utimi se obo enkofo a sebi na wosomo omo ye ne somo boys a bi mutimi kokopɛ shows wosomo ma ototo nuane kokura e de ema enkofo bebre ne no na je se okokɔ okatachi afri fadin okokɔ je se edin de bebre ana o se sampanifo we se nyina ebre bi ba ya de we all my small boys na abusua se ne onkomotwetwe ne si koso no wo de be ya yenko na afifo ni kokohwe Slimbaster enyame na meka de oka ye no yenko na so ko tie bi ye ba sisi a
they are scared of mami we agrada
what
my body my one and only agra osimi hanaji agra you know me how are you sometimes some of us were born to be leaders, and then we see people misbehaving. We have to come in.
Okay. But are you gay? I mean, just to pass by. Also, you're gay.
We're born it down.
Have you tried?
Never on the set. Said because the way I be taking also beyond face your grada like the way I be bear man okay. Straight away, and I wrote a song for her, and foolishly, one dream and all the kosai. She thought say she can kill. But she forgot, say, she's dealing with the creativity, creative. Yeah. Because you see, when you bring it, I'll sit down and think again and twist it again. Now I catch you say, oh, me say you can't twerk. So start twerking. Now I grab act twerking. But the only thing on here is say, on share 6-inch heel. Because all share, no catwalking I share. And open it, if say, what did I say? So you sit down and then, as gentle as I am, I go to Ghana. I want to push certain things forward. Now you ignore me. But when Agrada walks in, I did a survey, lawyer. When this thing started, I intentionally called 2 top lawyers in Ghana. I was testing them. Said, this is what do you think? Oh, do you know what they said? No, it's not Agrada idea. Agrada idea. So,
as Agrada, they say, okay.
And this is somebody, why ain't kwasi idea with me because say me 4-year-old way but I mean everybody obioti could be and say what dia o can enye no credit because ikrom hanimpo wangasa wo yirim pota frache wo de obema ko to na de nim no ka che say tobo jai now push the shame you are in trouble now wait me at and we free so I called a friend of mine and I'm in school say oh no say Charlie jai no we nim say and this is the problem as we speak today. UTV, you saw it yourself. Tax went in to do what?
Is that why you didn't take her on? German can we deal with it?
No. I said me taking it on, but I mean, I just me money who say you can't bring your rubbish. Who say me man could do baby, but on me target to Ghana. My target is to hit the government so that when I'm coming to Ghana, I will be safe.
So you took her to court?
No, me.
I just came and talk say we take illegal action, but you didn't do anything.
Me man come me can say yes because of this because me shaking the keke. You know tea and I don't know more. And me say so this woman is scared of the law. Okay, let me call. Let me fry and lawyers know some advice was wait there. It means Zion. You have big problem in future when you've been attacked. And I can see say Omodi yell. Yeah, but you were quiet. You know why? And I'm telling you, Zion. If you don't defend yourself today, tomorrow, you see.
I'm sure you're enjoying the convo with the boss himself, Slimbaster. So Rabaka cry. Because I have a lot of questions for you. Baby, me nipa na me start here now ifum say your hene sawo Angel FM moko me ba am to so what is with you and Okatache Fever? You're on radio insulting on your platform insulting him. He also came back saying so obupa but ebono bu net no
yes.
What is it?
Thank you so much. Say I am somebody that have the eye like Omomucha way, me 1, 2, 3. Make me more talent straight away. Okidichi Afrifa, no I'm a small boy. He came in so opeso oye rapper.
Also?
Yes. Now our rapper to say Sarkodie. No, look at him carefully. You can see, say, before bed than we none the BB says.
I knew him. I knew him from Leo Mensa. I know him. Leo Mensa time.
Leo Mensa, yes.
Yeah, Leo Mensa.
And friend me boss. And me who say he's got some talent in him.
Okay.
But or twisted, you know. Into here and because say Leo, come here. Let me train you know. That time who say ube ye movie Obisan Sky this year moving. It wasn't easy money. Me you see new faces. Now me say me ye baby keke because me person me you see Jackie Apia, Dave Nelson's because when it comes to music and the Amrado on Haiti, why a new act? And this is what I believe in. So me from where 10 people and I me groom on a trap movie be a funny helmet. And by no rapper, I say no, you're not a rapper. You can act and there's something another one. And I'm pinpointing and say, yes is here. What do I say?
Media.
Media. Okay. Because Ali, you have the talent. And when I look into a soldier, your friend, into moving him because of the your creativity or your soldier or no or a soldier will move in. Now we groom them, and then every do last minute never corner or ya debi wa dia nasi. That is what I mean. He came back to apologize because he realized, send wabano, I'll go higher. He did something there. And because of that, we ended up in the police station.
You took him to the police station?
No, I didn't take the person.
What happened?
And that maker say, time or no reply, no, and a doctor ran a framing. And then he told me this, that, there's a slim. I mean, that is why I miss me by heart. I said, no, I don't have problem. But Anka me be picking it on. Also, me buy even 100 times on my back. Because on PC, on me be caught. What I say? By then, no, now 4 girls are framing. 4 girls are not war are framing. Mommy, I dear me for no.
4 girls are not more years back at the time the incident happened. Echo police station.
It happened because now I me on no coin or near baby problem. Serious problem. A year.
Police.
Yeah. But me buy the call. And to me now me could diffuse this idea and me call please and me say no. Me engine this happen see. And he buy. And I am sure say after one some they buy Brian Champion. Brian Champion be can say he will make sure say they won't hand over to NDC.
Yeah.
And even if NDC wins, me to be on. And to be tell them say I mean, how can you talk like that as a politician? And to me, but I did we wom. Me share on no catcher and on no say. Dear Brian Adams here, you know.
Brian Champion.
Brian Champion. Or support it. No. This is wrong. We can't support somebody who is not ready to hand over power, even
Yeah.
Me program also. And also tea and say me use the word kwasie bia. And me say and we are no say. No say okay, no problem. Say kwasie ne dia no problem. Say what be me okay then. And ye be ko. And on one say no, he's not ready. At going to me no, because I am a human being and he knows I'm his boss. What I say, whatever I'll be the masherita, that's the money I fed him with. What I say, Obejina cameras in him, IFR, even Nigerian directors, cameramen, now on course said that. But I think after he did that, he realized, no, I have to pass back and then apologize. And see,
so he came to apologize?
Yeah. Okay, I say, Charlie, me back 10 times, he will never come back.
So now you've settled your dispute? No differences?
Yeah, hangy, but a bum be ma.
A
hangy, because.
So anything can trigger it. You can say it on radio, then you can also go back.
Yeah, trigger. Because Mami used to Shatawale as one particular artist. Adia Abuano. Because he was vocal.
Yeah.
When he started being vocal, what did people say? Oh, Wakasa. When he went on social media, people were criticizing him.
Yeah.
He was vocal. When they want to pull him down, he was vocal.
Yeah.
Even Oyade Nyempua, he was vocal. That is the only thing. I don't like saying anything about Shadawali.
Yeah.
there are certain things he does, and I'm like, no, it's below the belt. But no matter how you strangle that boy, he is vocal. That is why Shatta is not talented than me. He's not talented than Samini. He's not talented than what do you call a Stone Boy. We are in the same field. But because Slimbaster kept quiet, so what did they do? Almost to me, yeah. The NBC was Ghana and cause I was a BManoka, but I kept quiet and no. And a year then. Time I gotta make us me again. So I'm bouncing back. I'm a yenwa. And people would think still, if people believe they say, oh, slay me again. I mean, look at me. Look at me who sometimes, excuse me, who other artists guess be on movie. Really, are you on that?
Why for
No, I'm sorry. You understand? Yeah, we did that. And the age.
Okay. And current in the past. Forget yourself.
And you see them and then you smile because that is your time. Enjoy. The reason why I am calm today and I can do everything because I've gone through that experience and I've enjoyed. Listen, you to me, tag me to me, but I say, hey, Felix, I sit here, I laugh, but I don't talk about it. What I say, the reason being is because I know that some of them are not true. Because bear my back on. Won't mean to hand. Yes, you're bad, you're bad. Because some of us, no. Yeah, who be brave because a bad we can wait to a friend.
Yeah.
What do you say?
I'm here fast.
Yeah, fast.
Yeah, I'm here fast.
Yeah, I think can wait. Let me.
Okay, many things Slim Monk, my brother on my stuff from Georgina. That song is it Mina or it has a title because
Mina, me friend.
And a title, Mina a title.
Georgina.
Okay.
So me also Georgina. Short form, KOFI say.
Okay.
But the name of the song, no.
Georgina.
Georgina.
Okay.
But
Mommy, I know you
started. And no point in saying. Semi frewa, semi frewa, Jimmy do, semi frewa, Mina me frewa, Mina ye, semi frewa, Jimmy do, semi frewa, and
then go master now behind them next also be free.
Before me at you, can you believe about 10 years now?
So
yeah. But I'm cool. I have enjoyed my life now.
Now, Masharita was also Ruby free. Same there. One of your biggest songs.
Masharita, ta ta, Leonita, ta ta, Chocolita, ta 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 ta. Ama wasama mi penti. Mebe kebia misio. Ma pene do. Masharita, ta solo better.
Will Slimbaster say he was a womanizer during his peak?
I wasn't a womanizer. They wanted me. The women wanted to turn me like that. But me Johnny, because every 100 women me meeting me no pay.
Every show you could be now utibi.
No, okay. I don't do that. That is why I want it in some be okay. Yeah, because I realized say a man I work greater crown mean to me handle on. And for me to pick a woman from, let's say Kumasi, Tamale, and on count, and umpe wumia nyame and a disage and a bremi and a miti Kumasi and Bakubi and a ja. And see maybe be a busy or Accra.
Okay.
Yeah.
So 3 kids with 1 woman.
No.
Okay.
No, I don't put the net my bonnie.
How?
Who say? No, catch yourself. Every 100 you're not me 2. It's 150 and I'm 3. I realize Charlie, life, no. And I thank God for my life. Say one mommy. Any extra let me say maybe a wedding and may announcement. say me ba be ware obi a wonim say ukuta me ba fa ne brands ma ware because wonim na me ware no de akwa wo be boom
nti ase wadwen say akro ba bi e yo ba what ya fa ne mind no
debi ba ko bi ya me dwene wa but anyway ba
but who has a upicha say we dey
because who say we gum we mistake na go gum dia na it say dia what how to say but the person so worry you what you see wa worry into where in some into mamo but you see we are matured into me into make us almost say be wedding pay obi am out.
Okay. Are you okay in the UK right now?
Fully I'm more than okay, even thinking of selling my house
in Ghana. Say Ghana be no.
I just will be here. Baby, I tell free ban. A one ma, baby, a church abon a while near Saneno. What is here? And penny can say, and I'm just so now, Homa Eddie Freeze through Obesi a penny in Casa. The da penny should be Casa, nature's what me say, and some ewo chromo papa, will be any baby free out the by and so Obesi a setting up pa. And a boy fee in tia. I was here, ya the acid I can see, and I be my boy for being a binom to me, a soy and I see a glitter and grow cosmetics and soon general organic foods and it Tina Tet Herbal Center. What then said the dear son, Papa, caught no cocoa pium, Tina Tet for a catch. Now, if you are more intimate, you are pum demon, and I may be intimate, coso, come. I remain your humble pilot. Nana K. Jesse Abranti, as I can see a pa, and I encore Emfa Emma, me producers on duty. Edmono Poco search for Kimbex and no bear fee. Wow, on shoot me jibre a share. Cause have a wonderful good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Every semono, a besan with your shemo. Macrow.
Oh, Doc. Yes, and you want Doc. I want to know why you did. No, that's why she I've said, you need to no, say the young cook. So, your stomach was up, said the young had been so as I become. Let them cry. The meaning said, if you be forcing you know, I don't know.
Test results natural say when you malaria on the moji.
Yeah, 3D.
Yes, malaria. Nani yem no so we no here. Tinatet tomac and a tinatet malake. Famano nano ho betono.
Malake, anything at a tomac. I'm on my free.
Tinatet malake, eyema ubi awenya malaria fever. Ena tinatet tomac mixture, eyema ubi awenya heartburn, indigestion, ena ni yem eyeneya. Tinatet drui, FDA ahwehwe magia tum se eye.